said, are you ready? All right, let's go ahead and see you guys. Ready? Y'all, big dog, big naners in the building. Oh my God, I'm just like, Okay. Had a manic episode of when I was stabbed in the background. Maybe I opened it up on the right side. Who knows? I'm about to open this baby. I'm about to stack her up on the table. She's pretty big. I don't know if I'm going to use her today because I really did want to do hot Pilates, but then something in me is like, I have some strawberries and like I can make like a strawberry margarita, or I could just go to the store real quick and make a peach Bellini. Who said that? Let's get opening. So they give you free recipes, tricks, tips and tricks and instructions on how to get started. Scan the code. I love that they have scan the code because that's always awesome. How to master the slushy twist, quick start guide, important safety notice. We'll read that. We'll read it, guys. You do it first, and then you let me know what I'm supposed to be doing. Like, what you thought? You was just gonna be sitting here for free? Read the directions. Read them.
Help me.
Just being
Me.
lazy.